everyone. Let's continue the story An Astrologer's Day. In the second part, we have discussed about the argument between astrologer and Guru Nayak. Finally, astrologer have to stop and to give the explanation of his questions. The astrologer said, "You were left for dead. Am I right?" या ठिकाणी स्ट्रेंजरला ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर विचारतो की तुला मरणासन्न अवस्थेमध्ये सोडले होते, बरोबर का? द स्ट्रेंजर सेड, टेल मी मोर. देन ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर आस्क्ड, अ नाईफ हॅज पास्ड थ्रू यू वन्स. एकदा तुझ्या शरीरामध्ये सुरा खुपसला होता का? The stranger felt enthusiastic and said, "Good fellow," means you are a good fellow. And then he bared his chest to show the scare. Here, bared means to open and scare चा अर्थ या ठिकाणी व्रण असा होतो. So, when astrologer narrated the incident happened with the man, then the man showed him the scare on his chest and then asked more. What else? Means, tell me more, said the stranger to astrologer. And then you were pushed into a well nearby in the field. You were left for dead, said astrologer. I should have been dead if some passer-by had not chanced to peep into the well, exclaimed the other, overwhelmed by enthusiasm. The stranger explained that he was alive because of a passer-by who peeped into the well and helped him and saved his life. When shall I get at him? He asked, clenching his fist. Here, to get at means to meet, and clenching fist म्हणजे हाताची मूठ आवळणे. In the next word, answered the astrologer. He died 4 months ago in a far-off town. You will never see any more of him. The other groaned on hearing it. Astrologer explained that the person to whom the man wanted to meet was dead, and the stranger released a mournful sound. ज्या व्यक्तीचा तो शोध घेत होता त्याचा मृत्यू झाला हे ऐकल्यानंतर त्या स्ट्रेंजरला खूप दुःख झाले. The astrologer proceeded, Guru Nayak, you know my name? The other said, taken aback. When astrologer called the stranger with his name, the stranger became surprised and paused for a while. As I know all other things, Guru Nayak, listen carefully to what I have to say. Your village is 2 days' journey due north of this town. Take the next train and be gone. I see once again great danger to your life if you go from home. He took out a pinch of sacred ash and held it to him. Rub it on your forehead and go home. Never travel southward again, and you will live to be 100. These lines tells us about the warnings given by astrologer to the stranger. Here astrologer on continuing that he is well known with other things also. म्हणजे त्याला त्या स्ट्रेंजरचं फक्त नावच माहीत आहे असं नाही, तर त्याला त्याच्याबद्दल आणखी काही महत्त्वाच्या गोष्टीसुद्धा माहीत आहेत. लाईक द डिस्टन्स ऑफ हिज विलेज, देन about the incoming danger in his life if he lived and so on. म्हणजे त्या गावापासून त्याच्या गावाचं अंतर किंवा त्याच्या जीवनामध्ये येणारी काही संकटं याबद्दलसुद्धा त्या ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरला माहिती होतं. Why should I leave home again? The author said reflectively. I was only going away now and then to look for him and to choke out his life if I met him. Here, reflectively means seriously, and to choke means to end. Guru Nayak became very serious about leaving the village because he wanted to look for the person, कारण त्याला त्या व्यक्तीचा शोध घ्यायचा असतो. and kill him means to take the revenge. He shook his head regretfully. He has escaped my hands. I hope at least he died as he deserved. Yes, said the astrologer. He was crushed under a lorry. The author looked gratified to hear it. Here, regretful means repentance, म्हणजेच पश्चाताप होणे, and gratified means satisfied, म्हणजे समाधान होणे. The stranger felt repentance because he had lost the chance of revenge, but he was satisfied. He was pleased as the person was crushed under a lorry, as he deserved it. The place was deserted by the time the astrologer picked up his articles and put them into his bag. The green shaft was also gone, leaving the place in darkness and silence. The stranger had gone off into the night after giving the astrologer a handful of coins. Here, deserted means empty, and then article means equipments. The green rays of light has gone. There was nobody around the astrologer. There was complete darkness and silence. The stranger had given a handful of coins to astrologer and gone off into the night. So the astrologer put all his equipments into his bag and started his journey towards his home. It was nearly midnight when the astrologer reached home. His wife was waiting for him at the door and demanded an explanation. He flung the coins at her and said, "Count them. One man gave all that." When astrologer reached home at midnight, his wife demanded explanation for being late, but astrologer gave her coins for counting. 12.5 annas, she said, counting. She was overjoyed. "I can buy some jaggery and coconut tomorrow. The child has been asking for sweets for so many days now. I will prepare some nice stuff for her." आणि ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरच्या पत्नीला पैसे पाहिल्यानंतर खूप आनंद होतो. हिज वाईफ वॉज ओव्हरजॉईड बिकॉज शी कुड बाय सम जॅगरी, कोकोनट, स्वीट्स अँड प्रिपेअर सम नाईस स्टफ फॉर हर चिल्ड्रन with the help of 12.5 annas. The swine has cheated me He promised me a rupee, said the astrologer. She looked up at him. You look worried. What is wrong? Here, astrologer seemed as a worry person to his wife because instead of giving a rupee, the stranger, that is Guru Nayak, had given him 12 and half annas. Nothing, said astrologer. After dinner, sitting on the pile, he told her, do you know a great load is gone from me today? I thought I had the blood of a man on my hands all these years. That was the reason why I ran away from home, settled here, and married you. He is Alayu. Here, payal means a string cord. Then, the blood of a man means blame of killing. After dinner, astrologer sat on a string cot and told his wife that he ran away from his village and settled there because he thought that he had the blame of killing a man, that is Guru Nayak. But that day he saw that he was Alayu, means Guru Nayak was Alayu. So the great burden, that is pressure, has gone from him, and so he was free from that pressure. She gasped, you tried to kill him? Astrologer's wife surprised, as her husband tried to kill a man. Yes, in our village, when I was a silly youngster, we drank, gambled, and quarreled badly one day. Why think of it now? Time to sleep, he said, yawning, and stretched himself on the pile. He remembered the incident as a silly youngster, but he tried to forget it and slept peacefully. Okay, student, we have learnt the story An Astrologer's Day, which tells us how the astrologers deceive us by telling our stories. Okay, thank you.